40 pesos, guys and girls. The empty boxes that I have sold here in the junk shop. Remember this junk shop, guys and girls? This is where I used to sell my junks, plastics, boxes, cans, and other junkies. I've got 40 pesos for the sum of 8 kilos. Not bad. I'll be starting selling my junkies at home, because for me to clean my house and little by little it will have a makeover, okay, and for me to turn the junkies into money. There you go. So what am I gonna do right now? Oh, I forgot. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Nicole Fea Bordo, to my sister Christine, Helen Carreta of San Roque, Nicolas City, with all the friends, all my channel subscribers out there. Hi, to all my Facebook viewers as well. To all my first viewers who never get started on my masterpieces. And to all my lovely countries, Philippines, United States, United Kingdom, Indonesia, China, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, and so on and so forth. Of course, Iraq. And what else? And you know what, guys? The one who's in charge in here, I asked for a free soft drinks and he gave me. But you know what? They sell for a lower price for this month. I don't know why. Even though it's summer and it's not rain. And the reason why I want to sell all my chunkies, because the rain is coming by next month, June. So before it will turn into pieces, it will rotten, it will be tormented. So I'd rather to sell it all of my junk. So bye for now, guys and gals. Thank you for watching. I want to ask the other junk shop nearby here if they are more higher compared to this one. Bye for now. You know what? I really miss this place. It's been more than 2 years since I wasn't able to sell my stuff here. Bye for now. Bye bye.